guys, day 52 and today I'm making a chicken and tarragon stew with potatoes. Right, first up I've got some organic chicken legs, I've got some potatoes, some oatly creme fraiche, some fresh tarragon and an onion. First on, pop on the heat a large casserole dish, add some oil in. Then add in your chicken thighs, so you want to sear the skin so it goes lovely and golden brown and crispy. Turn them over once and take them out and pop them on a plate. Next add your chopped onions into the pan. Then in goes 1 heaped tablespoon of flour. Give everything a good mix. Add in your hot chicken stock, fresh tarragon leaves, give everything a nice mix again together, then add in back those chicken legs into that pan. Make sure they're all nestled in and nice and snug and add in those potatoes. Pop on the lid and put it in the oven for about 35 minutes. Once it's done, take it out and then you have your chicken and tarragon. Chicken should be tender and the potatoes should be lovely and cooked throughout, so have this with a side salad on the side or even some rice if you fancy. Enjoy guys!